Hi everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So all I have to do is dive into business.com. As you can see, so this is the home page of Busy. So this is Busy, and I will give you first what is an LLC or limited liability company. So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So first of all you have to do is click over Form your free LLC now. Then all you have to do is just click over Start Over here, and then you have to choose your entity type and your state. So I choose Texas and I choose LLC. Then if we scroll down, we have here three packages. We have the first package here is for free, but you have to pay $300 for state fee and it's 4 weeks. So we have the specific of the first packages is preparing and filling the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, and also we have online access dashboard, business banking account, offer business tax consultation. And then the second package we have it's standard one. Yeah, you have to pay $199 plus $300 of state fee. And it's 4 weeks as you can see, but in this one we have more things like business tax number, operating agreement, and also you have lifetime compliance alerts and limited phone and email support, and also we have ARS form for 2553. And about the last one, and it's the premium, and the last package we have here $299 plus $300 of state fee, and it's for 2 days. But in this one we have expedited filing and we have business contract templates. Also we have domain name plus business email. So if you're done with choosing your package, you click over get started. Then right now you write your company information. So for example, let's choose Mike, and you choose here LLC for sure, then you click over next. After that you have to fill your contact person. So we have your personal information like first name, last name, your email, and your mobile phone. Then you click over next. And in the next page we have company address. So you have just to read this information, so it's very important to read it. Then you choose if you want a professional business address and virtual mail service, or you want to use my own address. For the first one we have $99 per month that you have paid, and the second one is for free. Then you have to fill your company address informations like your street address, your city, your state, and your zip code. Then you click over next. Then we have your other things like the next page is please provide members information for my LLC. So you choose how many people you are, or how many owners, or how many members, and you choose here if you want to work individual or company. Then you select if member is company here, and also your personal information. Then you click over next, and let's move on to the next page. You have registered agent information. So about this one you have to read this information for sure, and then you choose if you would like to act as my own registered agent or assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year. Then you click over next, and then we have tax identification number information. So about the first one we have I am a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So I will click over yes, and I click over agree. Then I write my personal information here, and then I click over next. Then we have here setting up small business banking. So in this step, you have to read all this information, and if you are interested, you click over yes, I am interested. Then we have in the next page, it's tax strategy and free consultation. So also in this one, you have to read this information, and then you have to choose I am not interested at this time, or yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. Then we have business licenses and permits. So you have to choose between them. We have the first one, it's no tax, I will do the work myself. About the second one, yes, please mail the application is $99. And then you have to write, you have to link this, and also you have to business purpose. Please provide brief description of business purpose. I will choose the first one for sure. Then I will click over next. Then we have your order summary for, so you have to edit your personal information if you did a mistake or you did a wrong here. You have just to click edit and you modify your mistake. It's also here information info, contact info, agent info, company address and contact address, member info and tax info. Then if you're done, you'll have just to click over next. And the last step is bill information. So you choose PayPal or credit card, and then you have to write your personal information on credit card like card number, expiry date, and CVV or CVC. And then you have to fill this information. Then also in here we have additional explanation like what is the cancellation policy for my order. So you have just to click over here and get your answer. It's the same with all this, and that's it. You have just to click over I agree, then you click over complete and pay, and you're done with your inscription or your start, and that's it. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guide process, so not to mention how affordable and hassle free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more business types and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help, and have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.